Hi Diwakar, so I feel like it's an excellent painting to begin with. I really like your landscape skills. I think you understand landscape quite well. So for this assignment, the main idea was to show the distance. We were looking for a background, a middle ground, and a foreground. There is a strong highlight. There are shadow shapes. If you could, upload the reference picture, I'll be able to give a review in a much better way. But let's see the image for now. So starting from the top, the sky which is near to us is very dark and saturated, and the hue is strong. Whereas as it's receding back, it's turning light. Now, what you could do more was here, the sky would be a bit more grayer. So when just go out and see the far distance, like the horizon line where the earth meets the sky, that portion is usually gray. Sometimes some photographs that we find online are Photoshop. The saturation is increased, thus we miss the beautiful grays. So if this particular band was a little gray, then the distance would have been pushed way more. So this is like many kilometers. So we want to show that. Now this particular portion here is in the midway. It's the middle ground, right? I would consider this as middle ground. So whatever color that you add on the middle ground, the foreground should be much more brighter than that, because this is the closest to you. So for now, these colors are working. The shadow shapes are brown and dark in color. The shadows are always cooler. So whenever why we sit under a shadow, for example, shadow from the tree, because shadows are cooler. So you need to show that. Here you have beautifully shown the warmness of the light, but the coolness of the shadow is missing. By that I mean a touch of blue was needed in the shadow color. It will also connect the sky and the mountains like together, like it will be a unified scene. And also technically the shadows are cooler, that's why we add a touch blue in the shadow shape. I really like the strokes here you have given. Looks like very dry brush technique for the waves. I think it's working great. And the ground here is beautiful. The gray is working. It has the bluish gray, it has the yellowish gray, some greenish gray. I think this is working the best. If we divide the entire painting different elements, and the front rocks are also working great. So overall, I think I'm really happy with the picture. There are some minute things that you can add to enhance it more. Otherwise, I think it's a great painting. Thank you.